Hello, hello, hello. We are back. How are we all doing? Hope we are all well. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome guys, how are we doing today? How are we doing? Nancy boy, I thought you said Nancy boy. Nancy boy, how are you doing? It does say Nancy boy. How are we? Greetings, greetings, greetings. I'd like to see this next candle push up bullish, to be honest, after that big liquidity grab. FIFA, how are we doing? Happy Friday, happy Friday. How are you? Nancy boy, I'm good, sir. How are you doing too? I'm doing very well, thank you. I'm doing very, very well. Not too bad, just waiting for gold to get out of this range, really. I would expect it to push up after this big liquidity grab, high volume liquidity grab. We'll see. See if we get a bottom wick. Essentially, we're looking for a price to close above this area. We have clean candles to the left hand side. We get a closure above. We've got clean candles for 82 pips, and we've just secured. We just formed our most feed support. I want to see a closure below these rejection wicks, really, anywhere in this area. With only 2 rejection wicks below this support, give a good indication that we're going to continue on bearish. We've got clean candles coming down to his previous support. We've got 8 pip range there, so yeah, looking nice, looking nice. 30-minute has just made that big liquidity grab to the downside, so we could see a further push up to get that closure above, and just keep an eye on that, which would be the flip of the hourly to break the previous hourly high. Meaning the MT play, we break the previous lows and the highs, so we can anticipate that perhaps. Don't like the look of the 4 hour because we did have the big 4 hour rejection. Now, when we have this big 4 hour rejection, if I just come over to the trading view here, with the big 4 hour rejection, you want to see high volume. With that small body, you want to see higher volume, divergence candle, and then break its current high and push up. I would love for this 4 hour to break its previous highs off the rejection, so it would be very, very nice to see them closures above in that case. But of course, on the daily, we are bearish at the moment. We've got CPI in 2 hours. But yeah, waiting patiently for now. See if we can get a closure outside this range. We did try to sweep below, but we failed to close below, so it could be a good indication that we're going to move bullish for a little bit here, but we'll see. Entry, look for a 1 minute candle close below 2860, confirmed bearish momentum. Well, we already had that 2860. We didn't quite have that, but yeah, 1 minute time frame. The lower the time frame, the lower confirmation. So I'm not going to be going below 15 minutes for my candle to close. Please check this trade I took this morning as critique. Yeah, sure, man. Are you able to send anything on here, or you can tell me about it? Just going to get on the Instagram to everyone to pull up as well. Got some goods. Got the OGs here. I love to see it. Any other OGs in here? Get in the comments. Good to see you. Anyone new here as well? Have we got anyone new? Limbo and Nazi Boy. I haven't seen you guys before, so good to welcome to the stream. Let me just do a story then. Yes, Matty, let's go. Good to see you, man. Let's get it on Instagram, see if we can get some more people to pull up as well. Get that there, get that there. CPI Friday live YouTube. There we go. Hopefully that can upload very quickly. See this previous wick get taken out to the upside here with that big liquidity grab. I really would like to see it. A bit of a divergence candle there. We've got higher volume on that big liquidity grab. How long we've got left on this candle? 7 minutes. We don't do that. We don't do that. That's fine. We'll just wait for our candle to close. Doesn't look like we're going to be doing that, and that's fine. We'll just wait for our candle to close outside of the range as normal. There we go, uploaded. Awesome. Glad this 100k is still intact. My other 100k, taking a couple of losses on this past week, so it's a little bit down. But this one is still intact, which is nice. I haven't actually done a trade. I rarely do many trades on this account, but now this one's looking more healthy. I'll probably have to focus on this a bit more. That $10 win there was the video that I posted where I closed the trade, and my head was like, I shouldn't have closed the trade, but I closed it at break even, and then it just shot up. So that should be another like 0.5%, 1% there really, but that was my psychology. Even after 5 years experience, full-time trader, you can still make those mistakes, guys. But all of my accounts are in the positive now, which is really good. They're all in the positive, apart from that 100k one. Everything else is in the plus, which is a really nice feeling. Finally got my payout from my other funded account. Can't really mention their name, but it's a different firm. Finally got that, so I can get going again with another payout on there, which is nice. Doesn't look like we're going to be breaking back up here after this candle. We've got 5 minutes left. Don't really see us breaking up now after 5 minutes, but we'll just wait in this range. Could just be prepping for CPI, but sometimes you do get a nice move just before news is announced. Sometimes it factors in news, so if news is going to pump bearish, you you might often see you could get a bullish move before that because it's going bullish, 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 enticing more buyers into the market, and then news pumps the other way. Seen it so many times. Of course, it's not 100% of the time, but I've just seen it so many times. GBP JPY up to these days. Not bad volume, to be fair. Not bad at all. Closure above there, bang, clean range to the left hand side. Make it. Stayed away from GJ because of yeah, because it just looks like this all the time. This is like not that clean, it's just like consolidates. But this move here is pretty clean. That's not Bitcoin, is it? Oh, Bitcoin down at 80k. Some people, right, when Bitcoin was at 100k, everyone's like, yeah, Bitcoin 200k is coming now. Like, no, it's gonna pull back. That's the hype train. 3 minutes to this candle closes, and it's not broken the previous low, it's not broken the previous high, closing with extremely low volume, so ooh, what I say to that? When you get these rejection wicks, right, below, so you've got your support, right, at this level here. If you've got like some rejection wicks, you often want to see a closure below them rejection wicks. I often just go down to the 5 minute and see where them supports were formed for the rejection wicks. So let's use that. I want to see a closure below there for that reason. Unless, you know, like you get the candle closure below just this area and not quite the wicks. If it's a high volume closure, then that's a good indication if you've got the setup. Cryptos, Matty Douglas, crypto's tumbling big time. It is. It's taking a big tumble. Yeah, 1 minute to a candle closure. I did really thought we were going to get a nice move there, and after that liquidity grab to the downside, but stalemate. That was such a nice 1 hour divergence candle earlier. If you're in the market cruiser gang and you're here, like, it was so nice. I wanted these buys. They come down to the 15, and it was hard. It's hard to get in them. We had the reverse MC play, of course. Then we started the next candle, which made a nice bottom wick. So then take these buys, you can anticipate the 1 hour divergence. But it really didn't make a bottom wick, so I hesitated. Didn't really want to enter. I wanted a nicer bottom wick. But I wait for the next candle. Then we closed all the way back up above this next resistance. So we've already traveled too far at that point. And then, even so, the break of the divergence wick. Then we started again with no bottom wicks. Such a nice move that was happening, and I knew that was going to happen, but didn't give us an entry. Could have taken these just off the half an hour off the rejection wick. That was not a bad idea. Again, we really would like to bit of a more bottom wick and then take the buys up. And then there's also the chance where you could just risk it and take the buys at the break of the previous hourly wick, which was the normal entry, and they would have played out perfectly. But not really teaming on the 15, so it's what it is. Can't share my trading view link. The link keeps disappearing. That's annoying. Cinematic library. I want to know rule of news trading, agar news trading, SE 10, 15 minute fizz trade, lihi, aho, takia, yeah, rule break, hiriga. Don't understand that. My rule of news trading is, if that's what you meant, because you've got a lot of other words. I don't know if that's English or if you just made some typos. But trading news, number one, I don't trade news itself at all. It's gambling. Number two, if news event is at 1:30 p.m. GMT, 1:30 p.m., then I wait half an hour before news. Half an hour before the news event, I'll stop trading. Wait for the news event to happen, then like 15 minutes, half an hour after the news event, I'll start trading again, so until it settles. So very low volume. Pivo, if you try and tell me what your trade was, what time it was, I'll be able to do that. I'll be able to check out your trade from there. Yeah, this looks like price you'd expect to see just before CPI. Just a game of waiting at this point, guys. Be able to put a rectangle in there, look. Huh. No, not all of them. You get paid to wait. Patience pays. Patience pays. Get a nice push down now. See if volume's picking up or not. Volume is still very low. So we get a candle closure below. Welcome guys, if you just joined the stream, welcome. As you can see, we're just currently waiting for a closure outside this range at the moment. Volume's pretty low. We get a candle closure below. We've got these lovely clean candles to the left hand side, clean traffic. We get a nice setup below there. We've got like a nice 80 pip range. Again, if you get a candle closure above, we've also got a nice 80 pip range as well with these clean candles. Yeah, it's about being patient at this point. We've got CPI in about an hour and a half. So it could be price factoring in at the moment. Going back down to our rejection area, we need to see a candle close below. Previous half an hour, very big rejection wick. Would have expected price to actually break the previous high off that big rejection wick with this high volume candle. The only thing I do like is I do want the sells because obviously we're very heavily bearish at the moment. We have broken the previous hourly low. 7 minutes to the next candle. Let's see. Has to be a clean closure. If we get a candle closure below, they'll be looking for like a weak bullish candle and then continuation sells. Moves on top of the range to the bottom of the range with 5 bearish candles in a row. Too risky to take yourself straight away. But it'll give a good indication of a setup around the corner. So we're setting up nicely. If we get this candle closed below, .5 minutes left to the candle closure and hourly closure. Four minutes left. Still relatively low volume. Getting bigger now though, increasing past the previous volume candle, which makes a lot of sense. Again, the half an hour looking real ugly. Failing to break the previous high or low. but we will stay patient for a setup. That's what we've got to do. Bit of a reverse MC play going on here. Taking out the previous lows and the highs, but it's in the middle of the range, unfortunately. But it's nice that we swept these lows. We'll hold that support. Volume is picking up in that candle now, which is really nice to see. Half an hour is not looking pretty. Nice on the hourly, where we've grabbed liquidity from the previous low. Potential buys above that area, break the previous wick. Let's have a look. See how we close. See how we close. Don't want to be closing week bullish. Very low volume. Two minutes till candle closure. And that is on the 15, the half an hour, and the hourly. Still very low volume, way below the daily average. One minute to kind of close. Not bad from the 15-minute where we swept the lows there. Reverse MT play, still back in the range. Half an hour's looking pretty ugly. I don't mind the hourly where we've taken the previous, swept the quid to the previous lows. Nice to break the previous highs now, continue on bullish. That's real ugly on the half an hour though. That's the only problem we have. That's still stuck in this range as well. I only like the hourly setup really, but everything else is pretty ugly, so it's not too clean really. Let's see how the next candle forms. There we are, starting a new candle. I always like to wait to see start a new candle. Very risky taking a trade in like the first few minutes. You always want to see price to settle on the first, especially the new hourly candle. You see it settle first. It'd be nice to see these previous 4-hour highs get taken out, so we'll have that in mind. If we do push on bullish again, at least take out the previous 4-hour highs. Rock up some different music, see what we got. Hourly setup's nice. I would like to see a cleaner entry off the 15 minute. I do like the previous MC play on the half an hour there. Nice to get more of a steep bottom wick. But wait for our closure is the most important thing. Night driving. No, I'm not feeling that. Let's go back to the normal. Oh, the hourly setup is coming in. See how I react here? Kind of break our lows and then come back up to re-break the highs. I'd like to see if we can get an entry. Let's see. It's always risky game trading in the range, anticipating something, but the 1 hour is nice to grab this previous liquidity from the downside. If it goes, it goes. It's only the first 2 minutes of the candle. Can't do much about that. It looks like it is going to. It is unfortunate, but let's see. Coming up to break these previous 4 hour highs now. So many pips would be up if we dig into there. Yeah, nice 10 pips. Initial idea would have been this wick fill anyway. It's just got that wick fill. It's just a shame we did it in the first couple of minutes. So you might get a candle to close above after this 15 minute, and we'll see what kind of volume we're looking at that point. Very high volume close in the 5 minute. Do, do, do. Everyone, do you use the volume bar a lot? I do use the volume a lot, yes, just to identify where the volume is going to be coming in and where not, especially after you get a candle closure. Have we got a high volume candle closure outside the range or not? Do, do, do. Very slow. Stay patient for now. She's a runner, she's a track star. Du, 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 du. Five minutes left till this candle closes. Don't like how we've got no bottom wick. The only thing I do like is the hourly setup here, which is I was tempted to get in the buys, but just broke it so quickly in the first couple of minutes of the candle. So we'll wait for the 15 to close so we can get another entry after. Three minutes to this kind of closure. The volume is picking up gradually, which is good to see. Might be getting a bullish divergence candle. If this volume could pick up some more, we leave a big wick to the upside. Take out this previous low with the flip of the hourly candle to continue down to break those get this wick to the downside. Might be quite nice reading it off that. We'll see what we get. We're going to reject like that. Too much. See how we close there. Getting some movement. And the volume is picking up, coming up to above our daily average nearly. So what we did there, saved ourselves a loss. I don't mind it. Volume is picking up big time. Could be looking at a 1 hour MC play as well. 2 minutes till candle closure. $30-minute MC play, 1 hour MC play. Wow. Yes, we got that big rejection in the previous 4 hour, but would have liked to see higher volume for us to be bullish at least, but it worked nicely. Overall, we are bearish. I would rather take sell. Oh, what are we gonna? How are we gonna close it? Let's see. $50 till candle closure. We're getting a high volume closure, which I like after rejected the upside. I like it off the hourly to anticipate this for the previous 1 hour MC play. Let's see how we close in 40 seconds. We finish week bullish. That is a big bullish divergent candle. Break of previous lows could be looking at themselves. That would be the break of the current half an hour lows, and it would be the break of the 1 hour lows, anticipating the 1 hour MC play. How big will stop be? 40 pips. So that'd be 1.5% risk roughly. See, we're going to top wick first. We need to see a top wick. If we break our own lows now on the hourly, we've got about 20 pip wick fill at the very least, and I would expect price to continue on down after that. we go up from here after forming that huge rejection wick, then is what it is. I want to see something like this. After 15. I want to see entries that break that previous wick low. We get that. Anticipating this 1 hour MC play. Especially with that high volume divergence candle. Just to add, we haven't entered that. Nice top wick, so if we can flip now, break that previous low. I like it. Especially that bigger liquidity grab, high volume, divergence candle. While I anticipate the 1 hour MC play where we take the previous highs and then low hours lows. There'll be also the 30-minute MC play as well. So we can break that previous low now. I'll be looking for the zones. Get sell limit in there, sell stop. Just give yourself a little bit of room to spread. Stops go above. Previous candle high. $2,865. Okay. That'll be 2% loss. That's pretty heavy. 2%. I can't lose more than 2%. So I need to actually cancel that order and do a lower lot size. Maybe like a 4 lot. Like that. At 1.5%. Makes sense if we come down now. We have the high volume on the 5-minute, followed by low volume bullish candle. Managing risk wise, like as soon as we break the previous lows, we get into like, you know, like 5, 6, 7, 8 pips profit. Double stopped above the current candle because I don't expect to flip at that point. As soon as we go into like 10, 15, 20 pips profit, stocks break even, close to partials, and let the rest run. So if we don't break those previous lows, there's no entry. Blimey, that massive rejection still pushing up. Grabbing a lot of liquidity. If we do push down now, could be in for a big move. The way we're just slowly trickling up, giving me. I've seen it so many times. We can slowly trickle up. People getting their hopes up from the bar that they're in. Break the previous hourly wick and then melt. Big divergence on the 15-minute. Starting to push down now. Starting to flip, which is nice. Like bearish volume on the 5-minute. If we get that 5-minute kind of close to bearish. Why not steam on the 1-minute? Seems like picking up again. Blimey. Just nothing. Big old divergence candle. Really expecting a kick in the volume there. Trade over there, still valid on the half an hour on the hourly. We'll have to see how this 15-minute closes. Two minutes to a candle closure. If the candle closes above range 15-minute time frame, but the volume bar is small, you take the buy. No. There's a few other factors, of course. If you move from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, you move from the bottom here to the top without a bearish candle, and then you get the candle closure above as well, and it's low volume, then definitely wouldn't take that. I'd wait for the next candle to print, hopefully like a small bearish candle, and then try and take the buys above that again. No background. Order. So 15-minute closure is ugly. I'm still expecting price to come down. We'll go off stream in a minute. Might hang on for a little bit. We've got this still, the half an hour, is a big bullish divergence candle. High volume, big rejection rate, low body. I'll expect that price to come down still. Especially on the hour, we break our own low. I feel like this could melt here, guys. Yep, I think we're gonna melt. Here we go. Hourly pushing its own low now. So this trade is based off the half an hour and the hourly here. Anticipating this 1 hour MC playing a big bearish trend. Expecting this half an hour bullish divergence to come in. There we go. Got our stops in a sensible place above the going hour current high. If it breaks this if our current high again now, then you don't want to be in the trade. So we've got a stop loss in a sensible position there. Expecting a big surge of volume here, so let's see it. Gold. Take out them previous 1 hour lows at the very least. Let's see it. We failed to sustain the move to the upside. We broke the previous high. People obviously have got in buyers there. Let's see the dump. Let's see the dump. One, 2 pips in profit. Nice, good start. So 3, 4 pips. Pips we had. Really expecting this previous hourly low to get taken out. Look at the 5-minute closure there. Nice high volume 5-minute closure. 15-minute chugging away. Yep, liking the look of it. I like the look of it. So I've got a 4 lot on. So in my head, I already know once I get to 400, I know that I can, that's 10 pips, go to secure some profits and go to break even. A lot of people on this hourly, they would have taken these buys right and they would have their stops below the previous candle. That's where we're going to be hunting. So we're about 8 pips up at the moment, guys. Oh, there goes my light. Had about 10 pips, didn't quite get the closure there. The profits. One last little push, and we can make it risk-free. 310, 320, 350, a little bit more, 400. There we go, guys. I'm going to stop to break even. And put my stops. Whoa! I secured partials a bit early there, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to secure a little bit more there. I'm going to secure another 0.7. Lovely push. Lovely trade. Excellent trade. Really nice. What we're running at the moment. We've got about 28 pips there. Nice. Secured that 500 there. And then we let the rest run. Really nice. Beautiful trade. Anyone catch it? Anyone get in there with me? Hope you secured some partials, stops the break even. Make that thing risk free. Secure some partials. That's how it's done, yes sir. Did you catch it too, Matty? You get in with me? Goats, appreciate that, man. Lovely, nice. Good job, man. You still got the runners running too. Got 0.3 lot running. Still, what's that, 40? Happy with that, definitely. Secured a lot of that position. Yeah, good way to end the Friday for sure, definitely. And it's nice to get one on live on the Funding Frontier again. I was meant to end the stream at 12:30, but had to stay. Because we needed to wait for that move. It looked too good on the volume, especially with that big rejection the previous half an hour. It looked too tasty. And that hourly formation was just too easy to miss. So this is the previous 4 hour break wick low, which is 100 pips. So we can get that, secure some more bag on the runners there. If we do carry on pushing bearish from here without getting tapped out break even, I'll look to secure some more partials at this previous support. Really clean. The earlier entries could have been at the break of the previous 15-minute wick, but I just wanted to stay for entry there off the bullish divergence of half an hour just to make it extra safe, which was also the break of the current hourly lows. Still waiting for 15-minute closure. Chapifa is. How many pips did I get? Man, I think I got about 12 and then it spiked another like 10, 15 after, but yeah, it's what it is. I got 500 bags there. I put 4 lot as well, so that's quite nice. I think it was about 12 pips and then about 25 pips, or 28. But it's only got 1 hour there for some reason. Oh, 14. There we go. 14 pips. And then I did secure some more a bit further down, but for some reason the arrow's not come up. So I closed the partials on my phone. Let's watch the 1 minute, shall we? Come on, let's have some big runners. Come on, 1 minute to break that previous 1 minute low and we fly. Go on. Five minute, we can break that previous 5 minute low. Let's go. Let's go, let's have it. Runners running at about 25 pips at the moment, guys. Let's go. Beautiful. How many did you get, mate, before you secured some partials? Because there was like literally like a 10-15 pip spike around the entry closure there. Closure from there. What are we running at now? 36, 39, 40. We're just coming down to that previous support now, guys. So what I'm going to do, we're going to close some more partials right there. And I'm going to let the rest run. So that's what, 584 bag now. That's nice. 0.1 not running. Can we get the 100 pips? 40 pips in the bag there on the partials. How are we looking volume wise? Beautiful. Yeah, really nice. That 5-minute closure that closed below, really high volume. Hence this next 5 minutes is spiking down. Perfect. Really nice read on the market there. Runners running. Partials taken at 14 pips. 25. Oh. How many pips was it? Next one. Oh, I can't tell. I think it was about 25 to 28. Let's go in the middle, 26 pips. And what was that last one that we took past? Was that there? The break low. Measure that one, 42. Runners running to 100 pips. That little tiny 0.1 not running. Same as me. Went for 10, ended up 15. Nice, nice, nice. Good job, man. Sun is shining nicely today. Is it where you are as well? It's just bloody cold again though. That's the 15-minute candle closure. Whew. Very high volume, very, very little bottom wick. What is the range like on the hourly to the left? The wick fill, lovely clean range after. Oh, this is the hourly time frame, guys. So we've got the wick fill, which is the break of previous 4 hour lows. We continue on bearish. We've got nice clean candles coming down for another 20 pips there after the 100, and then more clean candles. If we bomb it here, we bomb it. But we have got news in 45 minutes, so. How's this account looking now then? 4.5%. Not bad. Minus how much is commissions? About 300. So yeah, not bad. Not too bad. First live stream on YouTube with a trade taken. Live, let's go. There's something about trading on live. Well, there's something about trading live, obviously with Market Cruiser. It's a little bit of extra pressure, but I'm like really used to it now with the guys. Know everyone really well. Really comfortable with everyone. So now that trading on live on the Zoom call with them, that's fine now. There's a little bit of added pressure, but not as much as it was at first. Now I'm used to that. Now it's settled down. Then you come onto YouTube and you do live trading. It's just like, whoa, it's a whole different ball game. For some reason, I don't know what it is. Just something new, isn't it? Something you're not used to. You have to get used to it. But that's really nice to get that one under the belt. First W on stream on YouTube. I guess because you got the whole world that could see it if they wanted to. Still crashing though. Top analysis is always well done, mate. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. It's nice to get that under the belt when you have a bit of a rough time. Sometimes, you know, in life, outside factors can hit you, and then it does. No matter how much you try not to let it affect your trading, it just does. You're not as good mind frame, but I'm one of those people that just wanted to push through, of course. But did take a couple of losses this week. Was it back into last week and this week? Mind frame wasn't right. The trades, every single loss that I took in the past week or so, have all played out perfectly. But my psychology, because my mental state wasn't in the right place. I closed them like early, or didn't put stops in the right place because I was worried about losing too much, and it's really bad old habits. But yeah, coming back to now, it's just such a nice big confidence boost. So it's just such a big thing, guys. Like if you're not quite mentally ready to take the trade, then it's easy for me to say don't take the trade, but I have to carry on running the group and everything, you know, mentorship, and I want to keep developing. So I was stubborn and carried on. I did take a couple of days off, but if you guys, if you're still like in, you know, your learning phase and you're still trying to get funded or something, if you're in that phase and you're not quite right mentally, or you're too tired, or something outside factors of life is worrying you, stressing you out, then just step away from the charts. Like it's not on this account, this looks clean still, but like it's really evident in my trading. Still around, you know, I'm still a little bit up or break even overall, but one of my accounts has been a bit damaged because of it, a little bit of drawdown. The rest are looking tidy and up in the positive, but that one of them is taking a hit because of my head. Can I enter on the 15-minute flip? I mean, the trade idea was this here. Enter on the flip. We did finish with little to no bottom wick, but we did finish high volume, so it's going to be risky. We've still got clean candles coming down though towards this area. Again, I do think it's extra risk, but it's valid. This 5 minute, then look at this 5 minute now, breaking his previous lows. Could expect more of a bit of a push. But I will reiterate, I do not like the no bottom wick on the 15-minute candle. Let me look at the volume. High volume closure, got that on your side. But yeah, the trade idea, we mapped it out. We had the sell stop in for like a good 10 minutes. We are creeping up ever so closer to news. CPI Friday. Go on, let's go 5. Let's go 5. Let's go 5. Give us 100 pips. Let's go. Let's hope for like at least a nice 10 pips for Japifa as well if he's entered here. I don't know if you have or not, but let's hope for it. Yeah, let's go. 8, 9. Yeah, Japifa, did you enter? Let's go. Let's go, Japifa. How often do you use buy-sell stops? Very, very rarely, to be honest. I just did it for the sake of the stream because I didn't want to miss it on stream. But they are handy. Like, if not, I would have just done market execution. But because I was expecting a big surge of volume off the previous half-an-hour divergence, you know, sometimes you go to enter on market execution when you're expecting a big surge of volume, and then you miss it because it jumps 5 pips. You're like, oh. So if I just put that sell stop in, I just thought that's ideal. Oh no, what's happened, Japifa? Did you go for it or not? I'm gonna close at 50%. I'm closing another 50%. .05% not right, left running. We broke those lows, closing another 50%. Lovely, lovely. Another 17 pips past that rip wick as well. I became fearful. Oh man. That's a barrier to get over, man. May I ask why you didn't enter with me on the stream? I'm curious. Because I am here to give you extra confidence when I enter my trades. Hopefully that gives you confidence to enter your trades. I must reiterate, this is not a signal channel or anything. I'm just showing you my trades. This is just purely education based, but this is my trade. People want to go ahead and take the same, they can. If they don't want to. Close more partials at 58 pips. Put that now into there now. Break even. Can we catch 100 pips on stream? Might just stay for that. Didn't manage to record it, but the YouTube video will go up on the on in front of YouTube, so I might be able to get some pips out of that. I'm not familiar with New York session. It gives me nightmares. The biggest loss I'll get during New York, so I'm trying to understand, etc. Yeah, no worries, man. You know what? Don't worry. Like, if you miss a trade or anything because you're getting used to the movements in New York, it's fine to just watch it. Absolutely. So, you know, maybe you've done the right thing there. Just getting comfortable and familiar with it. Like, hopefully watching me as well gives you more confidence and boosts that a little bit. Well, this account is looking tidy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10 wins in a row on this account, but I can't count that for all of my trades overall. But that's looking real nice, really nice. Three more percent pretty much to go to pass that first phase. Funding frontier, let's go. I'm gonna do a little video, guys, for my story. So when I get, so can we get some W's in the chat? Can we get some W's in the chat for the trade taken live? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can I get some W's in the chat, guys, for the win that we took on stream? I'm going to say it again anyway, but yes, guys, just taking a live trade, Funding Frontier on YouTube. Let me just give that a little squeaky clean. Took these sales here. Idea was based off the hourly. We broke the previous highs in anticipation that we break the previous lows. Really nice. Still running on runners a little bit there, but we've got lovely, lovely history on this account. 100k Funding Frontier. Really, really nice, really clean. Can we get some W's in the chat, guys? Yes, 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 Matty. Good to see you. Shout out to you. Shapifa, well done. But yeah, make sure you hop on these streams, guys. Taken live. Appreciate that, guys. Matty. Doing it for the group. Boss, gonna get stopped out entry here probably, which is absolutely fine because we've got our trade. It's the new hourly candle. What can we expect? Might survive. So how many pips did we get in total? So I can just, you know, jazz it up a little bit. 60. Chat, guys. Yes, 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 Matty. We're still in. Still in. Still in. We're still in. Let's go. Man, if this kind of flips bearish and breaks previous low, we're definitely going to get our run as the run. Although I'm going to be closing this at 1:15 because of the news. I don't want to be in anything scatty. How nice was that, seeing that trade play out, because we knew it was coming because of the technical analysis of the hourly, but number two, we could identify a big volume push was coming because of the volume that we're looking at on the indicator. Just crazy. Cool, that is some mad volume on the 5 minute, on that 5 minute candle. Big rejection wick though, so hopefully it's a nice divergence candle. Let me get that pushed down. We've got a bottom wick, so we need to go come get this bottom wick. I will survive. Hey, hey. Bank another 50. Bank another 50 at 100 pips. Sounds to always take a forever and a day to load. Yeah, we're gonna get tap break even here on the 0.05 runners. That is perfect. Trade idea off the hourly, broke the previous highs. We were anticipating to break the previous lows. Nice MC pair where we grabbed the liquidity from the previous high to break the previous low. We've got the earlier entry based off the half an hour because we finished with this big rejection wick to the upside, grabbing liquidity again. And then this half an hour candle closed with very high divergence volume, meaning we're going to get a break to the downside, which we did, anticipating that on the 1 hour. And up to 15 minutes, could have got a little bit of an earlier entry. However, I wanted to clean it out, safer entry off the break. Then we closed with no bottom wick, so still some more parcels as we came down there. But yeah, lovely. That's right. See, it's so much easier trading with volume, guys. So much easier trading with volume. Hanging on by the skin of our teeth on the runners. Trade idea was to retest these lows, which we did do, so I can't complain anymore. Still not ready yet, not yet. It's up now, lovely. We're in. We're still surviving. Let's go. Just need this 5 minute to absolutely bomb it down. Let's see, check out the volume and give us any chinks. We did close with lower volume on that previous 5 minute now, so we do have potential to carry on going bearish now. If it breaks past this previous low, wick low on the 5 minute, then we're good. We'll survive. If not, if it just respects previous low and continues up bullish, then we're cooked on the runners. Oh, the volume is huge on this candle. Even bigger than our sales. So, with that said, I think we could have a complete reversal. Then we've got news anyway. Closing this trade out in 3 minutes regardless. And then I'm going to go grab some lunch. Let's have a look at that 15-minute candle that closed below, and that is less volume in the closure below there. But on this weak bullish candle, I was interested to see how high the volume was, but it was actually lower. So there's no way you get an entry on that reversal there. There's nothing. This volume is insane. There we go, guys. There we go. Trade done. Just in time as well. 1:15 now. Awesome. Well, guys, that's going to be it from me on the stream. Well done for everyone that caught the move too. Really, really nice. Total of 60 pips there on the runners. Secure partials around 15 pips. Then at around, what do we have? 14 pips, 26 pips, 42 and 58, and then tapped out a break even. So really, really nice trade. Managed it really, really nicely. Analysis is spot on. So yeah, hope you guys have a great weekend. And hopefully I'll see you next Wednesday for the simulation session, and then next Friday we'll be doing another live trading session with you. Hopefully catch another W on the stream. But I will see you later, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well.